Okay, I originally put this up on TikTok and I labeled it Dumb Ways to Die because if you don't know what you're doing, this could be dangerous. You'll see here I have some yellow paint that isn't quite mixed well. What I decided to do is I made a little box that I could attach to my multi-tool. And then when you turn it on, it shakes it pretty rapidly. I only run it for about 5-6 seconds, if that. The little cage I made snaps on to hold tight because version 1, I didn't have a cover on it and the bottle went flying. That's the reason why I called it Dumb Ways to Die. And you'll see here you don't see the green anymore because it did a pretty good job. This is version 2. I am working on a version 3 because this is only held on to the tool with one screw. The screw goes completely through the blade, but I need to do 2 screws. Here's a flesh color that just looks really off. And you can see how it looks really orange, but it looks even more orange in person. Here I let it run for just another 5-10 seconds, not even that. And you can tell the difference. This originally started as a joke, but actually works well enough that I'm going to continue with it. I'm going to be working on version 3 shortly that will hold on with 2 screws instead of 1, because with 1 screw it wobbles and it's already starting to wear the edges of the plastic, and that's not a good thing.